All right, my friends, let's be real. We're living in a world where marketing changes faster than the weather. If you're out here just chasing the latest trends or jumping from one gimmick to the next, let me tell you, you're setting yourself up for failure. Today, I'm going to break down 5 core ideas you need to embrace if you want to build a future proof marketing strategy that actually stick with me. And by the end of this video, you'll be walking away with strategies you can implement right now to transform the way you approach marketing. You ready to crush it? Let's go. Oh, and before I forget, if you want to dive even deeper into this whole digital marketing game, make sure to grab my ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing, at The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing.com. It's packed with even more actionable advice that you won't find anywhere else. Look, marketing isn't about hype or gimmicks. It's not about tricking people into buying your stuff. It's about telling a true story, a story that connects with people on a real human level. When you're honest and authentic in your marketing, people can tell. They can feel it. Think about your favorite brands, the ones you keep coming back to. Chances are they're successful because they tell stories that resonate deeply. They don't just sell products, they connect with you on an emotional level. What's the story behind your brand? What's your mission? What are you passionate about? These are the things that will make your marketing stand out. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable, to share your struggles and your triumphs. People connect with people, not with faceless corporations. So ditch the marketing BS and start telling your story. Be real, be authentic, and be relatable. Trust me, it's the best marketing strategy out there. And the best part, it never goes out of style. A lot of people think strategy is just about having a detailed plan, a step by step guide to success. But here's the thing, strategy is more like a compass. It points you in the right direction, but it doesn't spell out every single step. Your strategy should focus on you're doing what you're doing, the change you're aiming to make in the world. What problem are you solving? What impact do you want to have? That's your marketing foundation right there. Once you know your why, everything else becomes clearer. You can start to make decisions about your target audience, your messaging, and your marketing channels. But without a strong why, you're just shooting in the dark. Don't get caught up in the tactics before you have a solid foundation. Define your why and let it guide your every marketing decision. It's the North Star that will keep you on track when the going gets tough. Chapter 3, Master One Platform. Let's face it, the temptation to be everywhere all at once is real. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, it's overwhelming. But here's the truth. True greatness comes from focus. Choose one main platform or type of content and get really good at it. It's better to be excellent in one area than mediocre in a bunch of them. Become a master of your domain, the go-to expert in your niche. When you focus your energy on one platform, you can really get to know the ins and outs. You can experiment, track your results, and refine your approach. You can build a loyal following of people who genuinely appreciate your content. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere at once. Pick your lane and own it. Dominate that platform, become synonymous with it. That's how you build a real engaged audience. Chapter 4, target your core audience. Here's a big one, stop trying to reach everyone. Seriously, it's a waste of time and energy. Focus on your smallest viable audience, the core group of people who need what you offer. Trying to appeal to everyone only waters down your message. It makes your marketing bland and forgettable. It's like trying to be all things to all people. It just doesn't work. Instead, get laser focused on your ideal customer. Who are they? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Once you understand your core audience, you can tailor your messaging to speak directly to them. It's the core audience that will stay loyal, share your content, and help your brand grow organically. They're your biggest fans, your brand ambassadors. Don't underestimate the power of a small, dedicated following. Chapter 5. Play the long game. Finally, remember this: marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building trust over time, not chasing instant gratification. If you're always after the quick win, you'll be constantly scrambling, jumping from one tactic to the next without any real results. The long game is about building relationships, providing value, and establishing yourself as a trusted authority in your industry. It takes time, effort, and patience, but the rewards are far greater. When you play the long game, you're not just building a brand, you're building a legacy. You're creating something that will stand the test of time, something that will continue to grow and thrive long after you're gone. So slow down, breathe, and focus on the long term vision. Don't get discouraged by short term setbacks. Consistency and perseverance are key. Outro future proof your marketing. So there you have it, 5 powerful shifts to take your marketing to the next level. Remember, it's about staying real, sticking to your strategy, focusing on your core, and playing the long game. Don't get caught up in the hype, stay focused, and keep pushing forward. And hey, if you're ready to dive deeper into this new era of digital marketing, make sure to download my ebook, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing. Just head to The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. This book is packed with insights and strategies to help you stay ahead and make your mark. Thanks for watching. Keep growing, keep pushing, and I'll see you in the next video.